What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to pin a TikTok onto your profile. Now if you've been making TikToks for a while, I'm sure there's that one that's blown up and got on your feed and has a bunch of views on it, and you want to share it to more people because obviously other people like it. And luckily TikTok does have this feature where you could pin it to the top of your profile and it'll be right at the top there. For anybody that clicks on your profile, that'll be the first one that you'll see. So first thing that you're going to want to do is head on over to your profile and just scroll down and choose that one TikTok that you want to pin to the top of your profile. You're just going to click on it and then hit the three dots in the bottom right hand corner towards the toolbar on the right. And then at the bottom there, at the bottom toolbar, third to the left is going to be the pin button, and you're just going to click on that. And it's going to say pin to the top of your profile, as you can see, and there it goes. It updates your profile to where it will pin that at the top of your profile, and you can kind of see the TikTok icons switch around. And when you do pin something to your profile, it isn't going to show up twice on your profile, so that is something that you need to know. I would only pin something if it's something that's a little bit older and not a lot of people get to see it because it's towards the bottom, because if it is a recent one, it's going to be towards the top anyway, and I'm sure people will see it, and you want to have those older TikToks to feature and pin. That's pretty much all I got for you today, though. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do this, comment down below and I will be sure to help you out. Other than that, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.